Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So this lesson is reversed word games. So I have this array have many words, a lot of words. So the game is easy. So the first of all, the user show one word such as develop. So develop is reversed. So he gives the right word. So he will write the right word. So let's get started. And then we have time. So let's get started anyway. So the first of all, the first I need to choose random index in this. So the random index, okay, I will make random index random underscore index is equal random library dot rand int between 0 to len words -1. Why -1? Because the index start to 0. So and then give the how many items in the list. So -1. And then I will print random index to check. Random index just to check. For 30, okay, it's okay. And then word is equal words random index. Now I will print word and then run the code. Come first want word, okay, public, okay. Now I want to reverse this word. How to reverse this word? First of all, change this word to the list. Word underscore list is equal list word. Now word underscore list. Let me check. Okay, school, form, most. So I have, and then reverse. So word list dot reverse, and then reversed word, reversed word is equal make join word list, and then to check reversed word. Okay, I have a reversed word. I have now reversed word. So I will print many things. I will print many things like print welcome to the reversed word gain, and then print minus 20 times. Okay, and then print the reversed word is reversed word, and then print this code again. Now I will give the data from the user. So Guz, okay, guess what? Guz input, enter the word. Enter the word, and then print again. Print this code again. Okay. Now I will check. What check? If Guz is equal word, okay, print you win. You win. Else, okay, I have a problem. Okay, else print you lose. Now let me check. From okay, you win. Check again. Okay, I will write anything. Okay, you lose. But now I want to use time. So if the user inputs the right code, the right word in 7 seconds, or less 7 seconds, so we'll win. So I will import time library, import time. Okay, I have short. I have something. Okay, I have time dot time. I will use time there when the user inputs data. So I will print start underscore time. Start time is equal time library dot time. So if I now print, I will print start time, print. Okay guys, I will okay, give me the seconds from 1971 January. So this is start time, and end time, this is start time, and the end time there, end time, end underscore time is equal time dot type. The final time, the answer time answer time is equal end time minus start time. Okay. If the guess is equal word and answer time minus and less than and equal 7, we print you win. So else, okay, if guess equal not equal word print wrong wrong word. Okay. If I have another if answer time greater than 7 seconds, print you took too long. Okay, so else I will print you lose. So now I will check. I will enter the word. Okay. Wrong word. You lose. Okay. I will took a long time, 7 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. You took long time, you lose. So then I will say goodbye.